Well, going up on is like you guys. So in today's video, we have a young lady explaining that Queenie showed up to her house looking for Dowey, which she doesn't know Dowey. And then we have Queenie just rolling in the streets of London like I don't even know.
Say want to do it with no apology. You're crazy. She have to sing and do it on the road and walk and take past way. Cause we never in the eye you could come support me all along and me make you run. 3 hours come on me head and me make you run. Your sister run and scream, so my sister dead. But remember, me not proud that when me do count a jam you to come on me at 9 o'clock in the morning. Wow. 9 o'clock in the morning. Me in my bed now wake up with I try to get an appointment for my doctor. No come gangster mode full of brag, gangster ugly, gangster mode think, gangster mode face look like when baby batty want wash off with dodo. Oh gangster so bright. You think that every girl afraid of your gangster?
No.
You think St. Thomas dirty of your worker? St. Thomas dirty of your gangster? What you think about Dowey want marry? You're going to marry Dowey for spite Ziggy. Dowey is not yours. Dowey not belongs to you. Every people send from them man and every girl go through the same thing. Me married to Miss Barnes, Mrs. Barnes. And my husband can't stress me, can't mad me. The man from band me no ban. Boy fuck pa me a Jamaica, me fuck back pa boy a England and breed. And move up that send for where you eat that big old dirty stinking big 50-year-old man and they a ball from young boy. You not have him and him not coming back home. Cause you just make me a take blood clot doing now because me no wine at the highlight, but you make me coming at the highlight now. You mess with the wrong one. More you come a yard. You never know when I send you come a blood clot ward if you send you come with M16. You should have come. You should have come empty handed. You can't come up in my army camp and feel like you can't come out so easy and you know get termite and bomb. You idiot. Where? Oh. Which part that I don't happen in a foreign gangster? Me tell you no found so now go back to Jamaica because on they are not tell be like an asset one no blood clot have the money where you use with the obia ring where you know we upon your finger for people so you can't the man jugs money. I true me other man their blood clot friend where you don't tell you come talk about Dowey want live for your explain at Jamaica. Dowey supposed to live panic because he's a mascot. He's a mascot idiot woman. You run to come and me address me no. You say somebody tell us say Dowey in my bed. Common sense don't think. Me and you don't have a dispute. Me don't know you. Me and you not follow you. Me don't know who is Dowey. Sit and think before you jump to things. Because the person who send you don't love you. Them send you to the wrong blood clot. Them send you to come take your injection, but you never know. So the Bellevue when me run them all come here, send you come. And me are the head, and me are the master for me Bellevue. So when you come in my hospital, respect the blood clot building. You tell me now, me innocent little girl like this, big old woman for me. You come at me house and embarrass me in front of my estate with people. My estate is not like that, girl. Me feel so traumatized. Me no used to them something me. Me don't know the woman. Me and the woman never taught me and the woman no friend. Me don't know she not feel sick or shame, but me see it because me not used to them something me. Me a girl, me not perfect and me not nice cause me make mistake and me war me go prison already for the same simple thing. This man me stab up girl and go prison. And gangster you non-jam you cause the next time you ramp with me that's some nail me have nail now on board and beat your blood clot with it cause me a Jamaica that Clarendon me come from. But me a make it you know say all of my childhood are in this blood clot yeah. To come here come see me you go and leave me yeah, so Dowey not belongs to you. So when you go up on social media, oh Dowey come home. Why do we say, yeah, tell I say, Dowey come home? Then yesterday come and want woman address Monday morning, 9 o'clock. With the bride on your dirty face. Yeah? You come like somebody, I want salt, you make you shrink.
Oh, smart. No, what happened? The lady said she don't know Dowey. That's what you guys not listen. She said she don't know him.
I don't know Dowey. I never talk to this Dowey. I don't see Dowey. Somebody ask me, where Dowey look like? I don't know. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. 2 days now, me not eat because of this. And now me still in shock. Come on, who give out my address? Me want to know who tell you. And as a big woman, it's the same they give you my address and tell you, why you never get my phone number? And call out of all North London who are them a prostitute. And me are the weakest link, nothing could come push down. The innocent people in our yard, from work to me, I don't know how come get involved with gangster. You crazy? And you look a mad blood clot cokehead one in a shop out there, so name our sister. Well, no feel like you could come and eat that who run from my yard. No girl not come on my yard and make me run go in and eat that me come for no. You come for me? And me come back down blood clot stay see me and I meet them. And I know the girl no call police for me. And people see me with a knife in her face, yes, her neck. Yeah, and her sister run out of the car left her and run gone. And when she screamed out, she said, no, don't stop her. Which me not proud of. I'm not sitting here talk about say I'm proud of it, but I'm gonna make you know say people don't like you. People see you and mourn, and if they really be your friend, they should have tell you gangster, don't go to that girl house. Because you don't know if it's true. People are tell pan that girl seek advice before you went to people place. That's my premises you come. You come to my premises to assault me, embarrass me with other neighbor, other tenant, and then me end up now come jail. Me could have go to prison left my pit in them and you could have there 6'6". Think about that. You need counseling. Me don't know Dowey. You don't put Dowey as if Dowey asks if him know me. I don't know who is Dowey. I never talk to this man.
Whoa.
I don't know what Dowey look like. Me innocent lady, me innocent.
I'm a cool lady, I don't know the favor. I don't go and leave me alone, me a hot girl. Shoulda, coulda, if, beef, cliff, lift, bomber clot, and I come spending the money for me and come this Friday. And me a ready thing, and that enough for to come spending the money with the queen. Too much talking now. Actions speak louder than word, okay? Too much talk. Oh no, wait for me come cuss, and explain to her, kiss out the last part of me. I'm not explain nothing to no blood clot, but it is what it is. Anything on the wall say, go. Queenie, I keep up party. Oh God, look at my God. Anyway, ladies, flowers for you lot, for all my royal crazies. Flowers for Rochelle, flowers for me, Queenie. My niceness will always be my niceness. My voice will always be my voice. My body will always be my body. Woo! I am who I am. I am myself and no other. Me not make people draw me out. Me draw out myself. Girl, me not take draw out. Me draw out myself. I'm my own dad. I'm my own queen. I reign by myself, man. God. So you lots, party this side, party this side, party. Queenie is having a party, peeny for me, and this is the way she whine it. I whine it, party. Hey, Queenie is having a party, hey, peeny, hey. Queenie is having a party, Queenie, hey. My clean, fat, tight pussy power. What? What's up? Now let's slump on the people that bike. Lumber class. You have to put money in them for them move, you know. Yeah. But I can't go and catch funny. So what's up, right crazy? Listen now. Listen. I want to cuss say. So my hat look good. Me am mad on it. You know the greatest thing? I still can't laugh. I still can't smile. Any day somebody take me smile, well, I'm gonna have problems. For now, I don't have no fucking problem. I'm alright. Shame me, Mary. Queenie, shame. But because the people that bicycle drop. What is it? The shame I may cover up. A lie. And that's what I just say. What is the shame? Then I will be could have shame about. Bumbo clad. The amount of shame I'm shame in a life. I don't think no more shameless. So it's like how to say. The shame. I may cover up. I go hide. I go hide. And this is for me there. Look, you can't see. Let me turn on the camera. Look, me shame. Shame and kill me. Me shame me. Me shame. Why they hate for the people them? Why? Why? Me shame. Shame and kill me. Why? Me shame, me shame. Why? Shame a tree. Why? Queenie, wave to the shady tree. Shame a queen, Queenie. Shame a tree, Queenie. Shame a tree, Queenie. Shame, shame me, shame me. Shame me, name me. Shame me, Queenie. Hide, girl, hide. Hide the nation and look for you for kill your Queenie. Hide from the Queenie. Me shame. Oh, God. Why? Help me! They're looking for me because I'm ashamed. Oh, can you find me? No, you can't see because I'm hiding. Never come off my internet. Why? Why? Me not come back my internet. Jesus, God, me not come back. Why? Queenie hide. Queenie never touch you. Ooh, Queenie never laugh after you. Queenie every day them have something to say. Queenie, I will never try to kill Queenie. Whoa. Ooh, Queenie hide. Fuck her, no. Now that's what I want, man. To God be the glory, great things he has done, and give us the victory again and again. Praise the Lord, Bellevue today, England. Praise the Lord, Bellevue is not here. Well, go to Jamaica and you find Bellevue. When you're in London, you go to St. Anne's, Centenary Hospital. They want to take Queenie to the mother sentence. Oh, come to the Father. Queenie is the first gal and the last gal where she might have problem. Praise be to Lord. Can we go to Bellevue? You don't know that Bellevue is in Jamaica. Take me go a sentence. Sentence is the one that's in London for the crazy, mad, sick people, them. Shame me, tree, Queenie. Queenie, you should be ashamed of your fucking self, see, Queenie. Oh, Queenie. Queenie, hide. Queenie, never look for you. Oh, Queenie, hide. Queenie, hide. Fuck out. That's the one, man. Section me, laugh after me, mock me, jeer me. Take me for Papi Show. My Papi Show, my blood class cell first. So the grave me first, third Papi Show. It's me first, shame. It's me first. I keep on to it. Ready Friday. Ready! Somebody said for ready. Anyway, ladies. Ready there. My people, I'm coming. Come in, look for the comment. My people, me I hide for the comment there. Some people I want to comment. I see somebody write something about shame. Some just pick off them limb, yeah? You know green is prosperity. I make sure I put on green. I prosperous. Some just go pick them 4 pieces of limb, yeah? And because I'm shame, I love myself as much as do I'm shame, but I love myself, love myself, excited over myself, crazy over myself, frightened over myself. May I hide from Uno? Because I don't want you to take me to Bellevue! You don't know that Bellevue is in Jamaica? No, they want to take me to St. Anne's Hospital. Anybody see ready? Ready? Ready, you know the woman when you're queen where you keep party with? She done dance and I get mad. I take her up and dance and ready? Ready? You need to go find the woman where you keep the party with. 2 day time ready, 2 days to go ready. The woman sit down in a park. Ready, the woman sit down in a park. I get mad ready. Them go careful go see. That's the blood clot one. No, the fever monkey bubble clot. If me I'm mad, I'm mad too. That's what I want to do. Ready, come find Queenie and carry go and send her. You know, some live right at my hospital.